The advocacy group Parents of Black Children is calling on the Human Rights Commission to investigate the reality of anti-Black racism in Ontario's education system. A new report sheds light on disturbing cases with some alarming data coming from Halton region and Catholic schools across the province.
We're having kindergarten kids saying, I wish I was white, because white kids don't get in trouble.
Since the group Parents of Black Children launched its reporting tool back in 2020, more than 200 reports have come in from teachers, staff, and families about racist and abusive incidents. Toronto, York Region, and a French school board in Eastern Ontario have had the highest number of cases. Charlene Grant, the group's co-founder, gives us just a sample of what's been happening in schools across the province.
The mom working as a frontline worker in the hospital, when she's called not able to pick him up, she's being told, if you're not here in 10, 15 minutes, we're going to call the police or CAS for child abandonment. The N-word is just being used. An educator called a Black child the N-word, and it was being minimized.
Trisha was part of the virtual news conference to share the experience of her 9-year-old. She says her son was body slammed by a white dad who intervened during a schoolyard altercation with another boy.
He was punished for the fight that he got into with the boy. But this man that pinned him to the ground as if he was a criminal has faced no repercussions. And what do I tell my son? Well, son, it's because he's white and you're Black. Is that what we're supposed to be telling our children?
And according to the report, some of the most egregious cases of anti-Black racism are coming from Catholic schools across Ontario.
The isolation room, I've only heard about it through the Catholic system. Of course, they don't call it isolation rooms, right? It's so we've seen kids are being left in isolation room for hours. The Minister of Education saying no suspension from K to 3. I've seen 3 cases where the Catholic school boards are using exclusion.
And Halton is listed as a region to watch, with a sharp rise in the number of cases being reported.
A group of white parents reached out to us. Their children are coming home sharing what they're seeing, how they're seeing the Black students being treated. And I always say, when white folks are coming forward and saying, my kids are saying this, we're seeing this, how can we help? You know it's terrible.
Now, for a closer look at this report, you can find a link on citynews.ca. We did reach out to multiple school boards and the Ministry of Education, but did not hear back in time for broadcast. Shauna Hunt, City News.